How to fix Uber app frozen on Android device. Now if you're having this issue where the Uber app is freezing constantly, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. The first thing that you can straight away do is make sure you remove the Uber app from the recent app list, which means you can force close the application and then try to clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this page, scroll down and then head over to storage and simply tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to restart your device as well as try to reinstall the application. If you restart your device, any sort of glitches that your phone might be having will be fixed, and once you reinstall the application of Uber from the Play Store, this will ensure that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which may be causing these sort of issues will also be fixed. So once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Uber app frozen on Android. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.